Are you a happy homeowner, or are you constantly stressed about home repairs and how much they will cost? The good news is, Rodenhiser has a solution to help relieve this stress. A Service Partner Plan, SPP, which makes maintaining your home easy and stress-free. Heating, air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical systems all need routine maintenance, and an SPP helps keep your home system in tip-top shape. Upon sign-up, a professional technician visits your home to thoroughly clean and evaluate the system. Depending on the plan, the technician will look for potential clogs, flush your water heater, prep and clean your HVAC system, test for broken outlets, evaluate flickering lights, and check the fire safety of your main electrical panel. SPP maintenance checks have even helped uncover immediate dangers to homeowners, such as a slow leak from a water heater which causes the unit to burst and flood the basement, and corroded exhaust pipes that were leaking carbon monoxide, a dangerous gas, into the home. Rodenhiser SPP members are also happy about their extra savings. You will have no emergency service fees. You will get up to 15% off repairs and a coupon book worth over $2,600. And you will earn credits toward HVAC or water heater replacement as a reward for each year of continuous membership. Call early to schedule maintenance at a time that works best for you and ensure your system is in top shape when you need it. If you forget to set up regular maintenance, our dedicated staff will call to remind you. Be a happy homeowner with Rodenhiser. Sign up for a service partner plan today so your home is always at its best. We'll cover the maintenance while you and your family focus on relaxing in the comfort of a worry-free home.